Morning, garden family. Well, good afternoon, rather. I've managed to clean up the garden beds a lot. I've taken out those sunflower seeds, sunflower plants. They are gone. I am going to pull out most of these tomatoes. I'll probably keep one or two, even though they're still producing. They look kind of healthy, but I got to move on to the next thing. Uh, the marigolds, I've already pulled off what I'm going to pull off as far as the dried flowers for seeds, and the rest I'm going to pull up. I still have over there more marigold. As you can see, they're blooming. I still have tomatoes that are coming up. Um, the plants, now that it's cooling down a little bit, it looks like they're liking this cooler temperature better. You got to come in and clean out these beds, different weeds. But again, all marigolds are going to go. I managed to cut down, but I did decide that I am going to get some, what do you call that stuff? A weed barrier, and put in between the beds to minimize the amount of work I have to do. That should be coming today, so I'll see how that's going to work. But as you can see, it's pretty much cleaned out. Got to come in here. Got volunteer beans that's just popping up everywhere, I think, from last year. Can't get rid of the, what do you call it? Morning glory. Morning glory vines. They're all over the place. As much as I try to pull them out, they keep coming up. So that area back there, I'll clean out some of that soil. But as you can see, everything looks good. These are greens. I think those are mustard greens. But I'll come back through here. I'm going to put a little compost. I have worm compost, so I'll spread that out. And this is what I'm using, guys. No sponsorship, but this is what I'm using with my plants and in my garden bed. So I'll sprinkle some more of that down, and I'll go ahead and get the bed ready to go ahead to drop some seeds in those little seedlings that I started. They still haven't sprouted. I don't know what's going on. I think maybe it was just too hot for them, because most of them are lettuce, brassicas, and things of that nature. But we'll give them time. But that's the brief update of the garden cleanup. Sunflowers gone. Everything is cleaned up. I'm just waiting.